case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the landmark 1988 case, Huddleston v. United States, the Supreme Court of the United States addressed the admissibility of evidence pertaining to other crimes, wrongs, or acts in a trial. The justices ruled that such evidence can only be admitted if it is relevant, offered for a proper purpose, and assessed by the trial judge for potential undue prejudice before being presented to the jury. Guy Rufus Huddleston, the defendant in the case, was charged with selling and possessing stolen Memorex videocassette tapes. The prosecution sought to introduce evidence of similar acts to prove Huddleston's knowledge of the stolen nature of the tapes. This included evidence of his sales of televisions at suspiciously low prices, which Huddleston argued should not be admissible in court, as proof that he knew the tapes he sold were stolen. The lower court ruled that a preliminary finding was not necessary to protect Huddleston from unfair prejudice, and allowed the similar acts evidence to be introduced. Ultimately, Huddleston was found guilty of selling stolen goods and possessing stolen property in interstate commerce. Upon reaching the Supreme Court, the justices held that similar acts evidence under Rule 404(b) could be admitted if there is sufficient evidence for the jury to find the defendant committed the act in question. The trial judge must assess the admissibility of such evidence, taking into account factors like undue prejudice and probative value, and may exclude it based on Rule 403 considerations. Furthermore, the jury must be instructed to consider similar acts evidence only for its proper purpose in making their decision. In its final ruling, the Huddleston v. United States case provided clarification on the use of evidence pertaining to other crimes, wrongs, or acts in court, and the importance of evaluating such evidence for relevance and potential prejudice before allowing it to be presented to the jury.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.